Hello traders. Today is the 10th of February 2025, first trading day of the week. Market was quiet today, but we still managed very decent profit. Let me share with you how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze very decent profit today. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, so I'm going to recap from Friday. If you're following our analysis on Friday, as mentioned, we had this beautiful uh, long trade here, and then as I explained my trader, if the price is going to respect this area, then we're expecting a short trade. So we had this beautiful short trade on Friday. That was a beautiful short trade. This morning we had a long trade here, one long trade here. We were expecting pullback, pretty standard and straightforward. We had this beautiful short trade here, and most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you how we analyze the market in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward, and let me share with you guys the first trade. We had it on short trade. I was talking about this rejection on Friday, and if you look ahead, this was the analysis we did, and price nicely broken. After that, any pullback, as explained my trader, just keep taking up. Any pullback would consider high probability trade. Reason why? Because you can see here this rejection we were expecting here. This was a non-farm payroll. Price came back, hit this level, and that's why we have taken every short trade here. So this morning we had a long trade here, and let me share with you guys where I mentioned the long trade here. So that was the this morning. We had a pretty straightforward, and you can see here the price nicely broken this previous high, so we were expecting any pullback. So we had this beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit, because this is the counter trade here. As mentioned, in 4 hour we're expecting a pullback short. As explained, consider tightening your stop loss or consider banking few pips. After that, we did another analysis. That was the beautiful a short trade here, because we were expecting a short trade. So we need a price action in intraday. We had this low is broken. We were expecting any pullback would consider high probability trade and then keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, the price necessity developed one pullback, second pullback. As soon as the price is about to break the previous low, as explained, our traders time to consider banking some profit. That was the beautiful short trade here on pound dollar. Even though market was quiet, but you can see here we had a decent profit. Let's look at the pound yen, guys. Pound yen, we had a nice beautiful short trade here. As mentioned on Friday, we had the long trade here from here. As soon as we see the rejection here, we had this counter long trade here this morning. Once the price developed a bullish engulfing candle, we had this beautiful long trade here. Afterwards, we had a beautiful short trade here. As explained, look for short. Beautiful. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on pound yen. So let me open the pound yen intraday analysis. So we have, this was the beautiful long trade here, counter long trade as mentioned, based on the 4 hour, bank few pp's, and afterwards we have another beautiful long trade here this morning. That was a pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout as explained. As soon as the price gonna stay within structure, avoid taking any position. As soon as the price broken, you can see after breakout, another pullback, another pullback, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the 4 hour major resistance, we explain our traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So once the price hit at this level, we were looking at short. Then we did another short trade here. This is the another beautiful short trade. You can see here price nicely broken. Even we have the confirmation, that confirmation price broken. After the breakout, price give us the retest, another pullback, beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Even after that, as explained, you can see here we had another counter long trade here at this level. As explained, look, possibility of reversal, and we did another analysis. Price developed sideways market, and you can see here pretty straightforward. As soon as the price broke on this previous high, I say as long as the price stay above this level, pull back. You can see here broken, pull back, pull back. Price nicely hit to the first fib channel, around first fib channel. That's what explain our traders time to consider tightening your stop loss or banking few pips. That was a beautiful trades on pound yen. Pound euro USD. We had a on Friday. We had a nice, beautiful short trade here, and we had a counter long trade here. Afterwards, we haven't seen any volatility, as explained. Looking for this breakout. Let's see what's happened. But let me share with you guys. That was the we had this beautiful short trade, by the way, on Euro USD. That was a beautiful trade share. So if you look at here, that was the beautiful short trade, pretty straightforward, price nicely broken. And afterward, pound dollar or Euro USD, after the non-farm payroll, we had a beautiful short trade. And after this morning, we had another one small long trade here, counter long trade, which price nicely hit to the previous high. I believe this when we came out at the break even. So that's the only because we haven't seen any volatility on this pair today. But we manage very decent profit on pound yen. So I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you want to see those analysis in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice week. Have a nice day, guys. Until next time, all the best.